In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your chart style and customize candles in TradingView so your charts look clean and easy to read. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, right-click anywhere on the chart and click on Settings. This is where all your chart customization options are located. Inside the Settings window, go to the Symbol tab. Here you can change how your candles look. You'll see options to adjust bullish and bearish candle colors. Pick colors that feel comfortable for your eyes, whether that's classic green and red or something more customized. Next, if you want to change the entire chart type, go to the top toolbar and click on the chart style icon. It usually looks like a small candle. When you click it, you'll see different options like candles, line, Heikin Ashi, bars, and more. Just select the one you prefer and your chart will update instantly. You can also adjust volume bars by double-clicking on them and reducing their opacity so they don't distract from price action. That's it. With just a few simple changes, you can completely customize your TradingView charts to match your style and improve your analysis. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.